How to use Grubhub gift card. If you'd like to use a Grubhub gift card, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Grubhub application first. Once we launch the Grubhub app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Then what you want to do is tap on the account icon from the bottom right. From here, look for the option called gift cards and then just make sure to tap on it. Once you go to gift cards, these are the options that you'll find. Here, instead of buying a gift card, select the option that says redeem a gift card option and then just tap on it. Once you tap over there, you can simply type in your gift card number here, then tap on add to my account. Then after you've done that, the gift card will be successfully added and used for your next Grubhub order. This way you can use Grubhub gift card. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.